For this example, you're given an absolute value equation and you're asked for what values of x is f of x equal to 20. So what in the world are they even asking? First of all, if I quickly sketch a graph of this, I know that the vertex is 2, 5, because all you do is flip this sign, right, to get the x value, and then the back number stays the same to get the vertex. So if I plot 2, 5 from the origin, shift 2 to the right and up 5, I'm going to estimate this as 2, 5. And then because it's a positive 3, it would be going up, a V shape going up, and it would be more narrow than the original parent function. So it is asking what are the x values when y is equal to 20, because f of x is the same thing as y. So when y is equal to 20, way up here somewhere, what are the x values? So there's going to be 2 x values, right? Right here and right here. Crosses at 20. So to start this, all I have to do is plug in 20 for f of x, right? So instead of f of x, we're going to plug in 20. So 20 is equal to 3 absolute value of x minus 2 plus 5. To solve an absolute value equation, the first thing you want to do is isolate the absolute value symbol. So to get x alone here, the first thing I would do is subtract 5 from both sides. So I'm left with 15 is equal to 3 absolute value of x minus 2. Then from here, I have to move that 3 over. The opposite of multiplying by 3 would be dividing by 3. So I'm left with 5 is equal to the absolute value of x minus 2. Once you have your absolute value symbol isolated, you're actually going to be setting up 2 equations here, and this is why. What this equation is saying is this answer is 5 units from 0, because absolute value means distance from 0 on a number line. So there's 2 spots where you could have a 5 as your absolute value. 5 is 5 units from 0, and so is negative 5. Both of these are 5 units from 0. Therefore, x minus 2, that could either have an answer of 5, or x minus 2 can have an answer of negative 5, because both of those have an absolute value of 5. They're both 5 units away from 0. So solving these 2 equations, add 2 to both sides. So 5 plus 2, x is 7. Add 2 to both sides. So negative 5 plus 2 would be negative 3. So my 2 values then are 7 and negative 3. And the reason my picture looks a little bit off, this x value really should be over here, is because this is really 2, 5. So 20 would be way higher that I couldn't fit on my graph.